What do you think? What was it that made you get it correct every single solitary time? I gave you like 4 of them. Remember what it was? Let's give it a shot. Let's see if we can figure it out. Add those 2 to mine. One more. We don't want to be off by 1. You ready? Count how many are in that collection. Want to add that one or not? It's up to you. Right, 12. Okay, I saw that reminded me. Sometimes you put them in 2 lines and then you recounted them. You counted them carefully the first time, and then I saw you recount them. And this time I saw you making a design. That sometimes helps too. But I had to go over there, so I'm not sure. I'm going to count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. You got it. So I saw a little design. I saw this. Were you making one of these? Were you making that? Was the design you were making? So that's a good idea.
That's what it is.
Like a flower, kind of?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, let's put some more in. Let's see, here's a, that looks like more, right? How many are in the collection?
Yeah, put one right here.
It's up to you. Whatever's going to help you be efficient.
No, try and make the flower again.
Oh, I don't know. I think lines seems more efficient than a flower. A flower is pretty cool. I'm not sure it helps to be correct, but I don't have your brain. Your brain.
Yes, but it is.
You tell me.
20.
20? So that's the other thing is I always tell you to count out loud, but then you got kind of shy with my teacher and you counted in your head and you got them correct. So maybe your brain works that way and I shouldn't ask you to count out loud. I don't know. 20, huh? 16, 17, 18. I got 19. 4, 8, 12, 16, 17. I got 17. Oh, 18. How many do you have there? You have 3?
I have a whole bunch of them.
Is it 20?
Yeah.
So how many are under there?
20. It's like, it's
Just 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So I count 18.
it's 20.
Okay. So we just have to figure out a way to get it correct every single time like we did on Friday. All right, ready? Count this selection. Say Monday. I like the lines. For me, the lines work really well. I only saw you twice last week. Yeah.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
How many? That's what I got, 22. Good job. So when you said 15, I just kept counting them. Good job. That was a bigger number. Think we can do a bigger one?
No.
That's a good strategy. I like the lines. I might even make the lines like straight. I don't know.
I'm going to
Let's try
stay.
this one.
I'm going to be staying with you for a long time.
Till we go on Christmas break. Yeah. Ready? Try this one. I think I drew.
So this is going to be number 1.
All right. How many are in that collection?
Number 1. Wait. 1.
Ooh. Efficient has to do with a little bit quick.
What do this kind of dark? What do this look like?
An eye, an eyeball,
No.
an equal sign.
No. It's a number.
10.
No.
What do you mean no? 0.
21.
Huh? I see a 1 and a dot for the 0 for 10.
So 1.
So how many are there? Did you just count them? That was pretty quick. There's one over here. Yeah. Under your elbow. Okay, how many counters are there?
27.
27?
No, 20. 8.
You got it correct. There's 28. Steve, what are you doing? So when you don't count out loud, you get it correct. And I keep telling you to count out loud. Maybe that's the trick for your brain. You ready? Let's do one more, okay? Maybe pretty high. I think you can handle it. Think you can handle it? Oh no, the teacher said make sure they count out loud, but
What is it going to be?
every person is different. I don't know. But you have to tell me. All right, here you go.
No, I can handle 100.
No, it won't be that many. I don't even have 100. I agree. I would not be able to handle 100. I'd have a different
This
strategy.
is too much.
This will be our last one. I think you can do it.
Four.
I was counting with you, 44. And you know what? Oh my goodness. You slid one like that and you kind of, and I didn't think you counted it. I was like, oh, he's going to say 43, but it's really 44. But you said 44. Because there was one I thought you didn't see, it went over. Wow. All right. So we figured something out. So when you're in class and the teacher says, count these for me, you're going to have to say it. She says, I want you to count out loud, but you have to say it, right? You have to tell it. My other teacher said I actually do better when I don't count out loud. See what happens, okay? I have another question for you. Can you come over here? We're going to play with our fingers. Oh, those are for paper. It's really hard for me to clean the table with those. So, Steve, I never heard of this before. I'm going to ask you a really easy question. Oh, those are all for paper. That's why they're over there. Teacher box. So I have some easier questions for you. Come over here, please. Oh, paper. That's not a piece of paper. Okay, come over here we got like 5 more minutes, 10 more minutes. That is for the table. Can you show me, write this number on the table.
No.
Here's that. Okay.
No.
Now,
I need a better marker.
now show me that on your. This was an interesting question, she told me. I never thought of it. Good job. Now show me that on your hand. 5 also. Okay. Can you show me that? I mean, show me with your fingers. You did show me. Yeah.
No, what's that? It's permanent marker?
No. Okay, can you show me on your fingers that number? Just one hand. Yes, you licked your hands. I don't want it too close to my face. All right. Thank you. 6th graders for coming.
Transfer paper?
Yes. Okay. Show me on your other hand. Show me that number on your other hand. Yes. Now show me on that hand. Okay. Now split the fingers up. So we have we still have 5 fingers, but some are on that hand and some are on that hand. I never thought of this. My teacher told me this. So you have
3 and 2.
2. Now can you switch those? So put 3 and 2 like that. Huh. Huh. I don't know. I never thought of it. She said everybody has one hand that's stronger. And I didn't know that. So I need 3 on this hand. Go get your hand. I see 3 on that hand. I want 3 on this hand. Weird, huh? And 2 on that hand. Isn't that weird? I never thought of that. Okay, this time put 4 on this hand. And 1 on that hand. Just 1. I got 4 and 1. Now switch it. I want 1 on this hand and 4 on the hand. Oh, see, it's easier one way than the other. Okay, how about the number 6? Show me the number 6 on your hands. So you have 5 and 1.
I'm just gonna show you this.
Now I want to see 5 on this hand instead.
5 on this hand. Okay, I just need the taller hand.
It had to do with how strong our hands are. And is that the hand you write with? Always? I hadn't even noticed. You're left-handed or right-handed. Okay.
Doesn't look good.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, show me 5 fingers on that hand and 1 on that.
5 on this hand.
Yep, like that.
Okay, 5.
And 1 on that hand. Okay. See the marker for a second? So I'm see how quickly you can change your fingers. All right. Ready? Ugh, putting more spit on the thing. All right. Now show me for the camera so I can look at it later. Show me 4 on this hand and 2 on that hand. Okay, now switch it. Put 4 on that hand and 2 on that hand. You are clever. Okay, but really switch it. I want 4 on this hand. I think that one's stronger. This hand, you do that hand first. I'm trying to see which hand you're doing first. Okay, how about 3 on that hand and 3 on each hand. Oh, you did it together. All right. For 7, 3 on this hand and 4 on that hand. Is there 4 on that hand? Okay. Now we're going to switch them. I want 4 on this hand and 3 on that hand. You just switched your arms. 4 on this hand.
Oh.
We'll practice this again tomorrow. This is very interesting to me. I never heard of this before.
I just switched it.
Yeah, but I can't tell which one you did first. Okay. Fingers down.
Okay.
Show me.
Okay, how
Put
do
up-
you do it?
Put up 3 fingers. Just show me 3. Oh, you did both of them together. That's 6 fingers. I just want 3. Show me 3 fingers. Any 3. You did that hand. Okay, sit up. Hold your hands like this. Let me see. I'm trying to see which hand you go with first. Show me 4 fingers. Pretty good. Show me 4 fingers. Go. 4 fingers. Ah, so you did that hand. Now show me 4 fingers on that hand. You have both. But just that one. All right. Show me 5 fingers. Show me 5 fingers. All right. We're gonna call it. We're gonna stop because I want you to wash your hands.